Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova 20C, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first let's open the settings of the phone application, and now here on the right upper corner we can see there's 4 dots or more icon. Click on this more icon and then tap here to block. Then tap once again on this home screen on the settings section on the right upper corner and tap here to blacklist section. Here we can see now only one number in the blacklist. If you want to remove this number from here, you should hold it for a while and then click here to remove. After that, confirm your action by click here to remove, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.